and we'd, everything with foam on roofing is adhesion. It's all about adhesion. If you don't have adhesion, you ain't got shit. And of course, we had to get the loose stuff off. So we'd go up and we'd hit it with these brooms, and then come back with the high pressure air compressor and the high CFM air compressor, and blow the area. I mean, I did whole roofs with that, with no sweeping. I got really good at it. I was going to write a book called Amazing Tricks with Compressed Air. But so anyway, then we blow it off and get it. I told the guys, I said, I want it able to eat off. I mean, we want this thing clean. So we get down there and blow out the cracks and stuff, and we get it clean. And then we put a, inch and a half of foam on it and throw the gravel back on it. So when we did that, it matched the rest of the roof, except it was a little higher. And the foam sealed it up, and it worked. But, they liked it. It was pretty simple. It went in. We were clean. It was a clean operation.